Welcome back to Programmer YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how to create single group drill down step report. Okay. In the last session we have created stepped report. Okay. So now we are going to see how to create single group drill down step report without using reporting wizard. We are going to create manually. Okay. So let's switch back to Visual Studio. Okay. Let me create one blank report here. Okay. We have to put a report name here according to our choice. Okay, so this is the blank report we can see here. Okay, so now on the project level we can see shared data source, shared data set. So this is up to you, like if you have to create, if you want to create the shared data source, then you can right click here and define the data source and also create the data set. And on the report level also we can create the data source and data set. So I have already told you the difference between these two. Okay, so for now we will create the report level data source. Okay, so we have two options here. If we are going to use share data source from this, then we have to select this, and in case of report level data source, we have to select this option. We have to give a name here, my data source. Okay, let's click on OK. Now we have to create the data set. Data set is nothing but bringing the fields from the table to the SSRS. Okay, so we are going to create a report level data set, my data set. So we have to mention the query here, select star from product. Let's check the fields. It's not coming. That means we have some issue. Select star from. Okay, we have to select the data source. Okay, that we have, which we have created here. Okay, let's check the fields now. Unable to connect to data, my data source. Okay, there is something issue, I guess, guys. Let me check our data source. We have not defined our connection, so we have to first define the connections here. Select the database, test the connection. Okay, now if we refresh the fields, we should see the fields. Okay, refresh fields. Yeah, fields are coming now. Okay, so right click on this, insert table. So now to create the step report or group by report, we should have one column which we are going to group that column. Okay, so let me drag product name, description, and product ID. Okay, now we have to add a group component here. Okay, so there are two ways actually. Okay, you can directly click here, add group and parent group. You can do like this way. Okay, also you can right click on this three dash here, three lines, and go to add group and parent group. Okay, now we have to mention the column that which we want to group by. So made country. Okay, now this is our stepped in report. So we have to click on this. So the details will start from the next row of the group component. Okay. So let me click on OK. Let's preview our report. So this is our stepped report created. Now we are going to enable the drill down option on this group by component. Okay. So there should be one expandable option and collapsible option. We want here. Okay. So what we have to do, how we are going to do this now. So under the details section, we have to go to the group properties. Okay, and under the visibility option. So now see what we are going to do basically now. By default, we want this to be height and we want plus sign here. So if we click on that plus sign, this detail should be shown after we click on expand option. Okay, so now we are going in the property of details to hide that by default. So group properties, visibility, hide, and this option we have to tick this out so that it's asking display can be toggled by this report item. So what we are going to select here, made in country, as we have selected that in group by component. So if we click on that plus sign, made country plus sign, then this details will be shown. So click on OK. See, now we got this plus sign. So if I expand this, we'll see the details. If we collapse this, the details will be hide. Okay, so this is let me make this report a little bit fancy. So I'll change the color here, background color. Okay, we'll also change the font style. Actually, I like Calibri. This is my favorite, so I'm going to apply Calibri here. Calibri. Okay. Now this is our report, which look good. Also make it bold. You have to select that row and Control B. Okay. So this is our report. So guys, this is all about stepped in single group drill down report. So in the upcoming sessions, we are going to see more options. So thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.